Hey guys, Bruce Milligan from Cellpro Repair Solutions here. I was just getting into a repair on a MARLEY speaker. It is a model EM-JA013, and I was trying to figure out how to get into it. Anyways, figured it out, so I figured I'd just post this video here. This is kind of what you do. You take the flat head of the screwdriver and you just kind of pry up on these guys, and this is how you get primary access to this particular speaker. I mean, I don't know where else they sell these. I mean, it's sort of like a brand new make or model, but unfortunately the problem that I'm running into is the charge thing broke. Anyways, this is how you get into it here. Probably gonna break this or wreck it, but they do go back on quite nicely actually, so that bad boy comes off like that. And that gives you access to here, which I've already got access to, and then you sort of just unscrew these here. Now I took that out, and unfortunately it doesn't come off too well. Now I need to get into here to see what's going on inside to see if I can get access, but I figured, okay, well, let's try and find the part, and I can't find this particular part. I figured I'd post this video to see if anyone knows how to get this part, and then at that point I'll proceed going in and I'll post a video of that as well. Anyways, need this part. It's the charge port. It's this part here. It's the charge port, aux in, charge, and then charge out. Anyways, like this video, like and subscribe, or just subscribe to my channel, Cellpro Repair Solutions, and then I'm OBC. Thank you very much.